Hello and welcome. In today's how-to video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a portable core privacy screen and frame kit. We'll go step by step exactly how to put it together and install it. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, I want to go through exactly what you'll need. You'll need a screwdriver or drill, a privacy screen, and a frame kit. So let's go through exactly what you'll get. You'll have 2 posts. You'll have 4 frame pieces, 2 shorter pieces and 2 longer pieces, and 2 footers, and all the essential hardware, so nuts, screws, bolts, and adjustable footers. So the first step will be to install the privacy screen frame. We'll simply start by putting one of the longer sides on, just like that, followed by a top piece, we'll get the other side on here, and the bottom piece. They slide in real easy on the corners here for a nice snug fit. All right, so now that the privacy screen is framed in, it's time to put our legs together. For this, we'll need a base plate, a leg, nut, bolt, washer, and the Allen key supplied. So we'll just line up the 4 holes with the foot and base plate, put a bolt through one of the holes, and put our washer, followed by nut. Tighten it by hand and then with the Allen key on the other side. So now that we've put the legs together and put the frame around the privacy screen, it's now time to put them together. So we'll simply slide it into one leg, lift it up, and slide in the other leg, just like that. There we go. If you want the privacy screen to be elevated off the ground, you'll need 2 people. You'll have one person lifting the screen up through the legs, and then you can screw it in, right? So you can lift it as high as you want here, then you can screw it in to keep it in place. So that's what we'll do next. We'll screw it in place. If you'd like, you can now install your 4 footers. They're just a nice soft foot for whatever surface you're putting the screen on. So again, you don't have to put these on, but it does come with it. To install these, it's really easy. We're just gonna put it to the bottom like this. We'll take our nut, like that, and then we'll just top it off with this piece. And just like that, you have a nice footer.